Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to install the drain hose. Please follow these steps whenever you install or move your washing machine. It is also a good idea to unplug the washing machine before installation. The drain hose is located at the back of the washing machine. In most cases, you will need to install an elbow bracket. Clip the end of the hose into the elbow bracket that came with your washing machine. Connect the elbow bracket within 4 inches, 10 centimeters, of the end of the drain hose. Hang the end of the drain hose over the side of the laundry tub. Use the provided tie strap to secure the drain hose in place. If you have a standpipe drain, simply insert the elbow bracket into the standpipe. Next, secure the drain hose with a tie strap. Also, never create an airtight seal between the hose and drain with tape or any other means. This may result in poor wash and rinse performance or clothing damage. Additionally, make sure the drain hose is not pinched, crushed, or kinked. You may have a drain pipe built in the wall. Just push the hose into the drain pipe. Then secure the drain hose to the cold water hose with a tie strap. And that is how to install the drain hose.